Hello viewers, now we are going to see how to solve a system of equation by Gauss-Jordan method. Here there are three equations are given. So first of all you have to write a matrix A. That is coefficient of x is 1 here, coefficient of y is minus 1 here, coefficient of z is 1 here. So 1 minus 1 1, this is the first row. Then second row, coefficient of x is minus 3, then y is 2, z is minus 3. Second row, then in the third equation, coefficient of x is 2, then minus 5, then 4. Here we have formed a matrix. Then A augment B. A augment B means you have to write the matrix as it is. Then put a line. Then what is on the right hand side? 1 is there, minus 6 is there, 5 is there. Write it. This one is called augmented matrix. This one is called augmented matrix. Then you have to make the lowermost and uppermost as zeros. That is, except the diagonal entries, you have to make all the elements as 0. This is called Gauss-Jordan. This is also used in finding the inverse of a matrix. First of all, you have to fix the first row. Then you have to make this element and this element as 0. How? Here 1 is there. Now multiply this by 3. Then add this 2. You get 0 here. Here 2 is there. Here 1 is there. So multiply by 2. Then subtract this. That is R2 is R2 plus 3R1. R3 is R3 minus 2R1. That is you have to multiply this by entire 3. So 3 minus 3, 3 into 3. Here 1 into 3 is 3. Here minus 3 is there, 2 is there, minus 2 is there. Then minus 6 is there. Now when I add this, I get 0, minus 1, then 0, then minus 3. So here I have written 0, minus 1, 0, minus 3. Like this. Here multiply by 2, then add it. You get like this. Now we have find out 0, 0 here. Then you have to make this element as 0. So for this I have multiplied. That is R3 becomes R3 minus 3R2. Multiply this row by 3 and just subtract it. So that I get 0, 0, 2, 12. At the same time, R1 becomes R1 minus R2. So, R1 minus R2. I get 1, then 0, then 0, then 1 minus 3 becomes 4. Then, coming to the next step, here this terms will become 0. Then, you have to make this one as zeros. Here already 2 zeros are there. So, you have to make this one as 0. So, multiply this by 2 and subtract it. R1 becomes R3 minus 2R1. So minus 2, 0, 0, 0 minus 1, 0, then 0, 0, 2, 12. Then make all the diagonal entries as 1. So here minus 2 is there, divide this by minus 2. Here minus 1 is there, divide this by minus 1. Then here 2 is there, divide this by 2. So that I get 1, 1, 1 here. You have to do here also. 4 by minus 2, I get minus 2. Minus 3 by minus 1, I get 3. Then R3 by 2, that is 12 by 2, 6. So the value of x is minus 2. Value of y is 3. Value of z is 6. So the value of x is minus 2 minus the 3, 6. If you want it as correct or not, you can put any one of the equation. If it satisfies, then your answer is right. Thank you.